Hello there. How are you doing today?
Hello, Rifat.
Hello, man.
I'm doing good for today, and also thankful for life, and also thankful for the privilege of having to speak with you today.
It's very nice to meet someone as spiritual like you. So before we dive into the interview, if you could please introduce yourself to our audience.
All right, so I'm Wycliff from Kenya, and trading is what I do for a living. Yeah, and trading is my everything for now. Yeah.
So trading is everything for you. Why trading? Why not another job?
All right, in comparing other jobs with the trading, I more find it of trading is more of being personal about you, and avoiding so much interactions with a lot of people, and then probably even going to beg somebody for a job, you see. And you can also employ yourself in trading, and also it's not weather oriented or anything. It's just that having access to your internet and your PC, and then you start doing marvelous things in the market. Yeah.
The way I see it, trading is the only profession that allows you the freedom of time, the freedom of money, and the freedom of vacation. Because you can be any place in this world and just go on and buy GBP USD, right? So I think at the end of the day, trading should always be about freedom.
Yeah, I think trading is just awesome.
Yeah. So as you are a full-time trader, can you tell us when did you start your trading journey?
Okay, so my trading journey began from last year, November. Yeah, from last year November, and a couple of maybe 8 months old in forex.
8 months.
Yeah, 8 months.
All right. So what kind of trading do you prefer? Do you like scalping, intraday trading, or swing trading?
Yeah, for me, I'm more of intraday trading, and a little bit of scalp if I'm a bit more held up in a way. Yeah.
All right. So you started trading 8 months ago. And what was your initial account balance back then?
Yeah. So back then, my initial account balance was $200 for it, with the hope of at least generating some more profit out of it. Yeah.
So you started your trading journey 8 months ago with $200 in your account. So how was that journey? Was it like you got lucky or you just caught off guard because of the market?
Well, as it mostly happens in the almost everybody, yeah, for me I was kind of unlucky, and yeah, ending up blowing accounts, losing even more money than I could imagine, and it was quite discouraging for sure. Yeah, and also not having someone to guide you at the moment, it was still discouraging, but thankful for now. And yeah, I think things are doing better off.
So how much progress do you think you have made since the first month till this month?
Okay, so in talking about progress, I may say I'm a bit of a better off comparing myself to maybe those whom we started with, and yeah, I think I'm heading to the best of it. Yeah.
Nice. Now let me ask you one interesting thing. As we all know, you were quite a good trader. So why did you wanted to join FundedNext?
Okay, so after I now saw that I have a little bit of understanding of the market. Okay, so I decided to go and research about the prop farms, and
Mhm.
I came across and FundedNext, whereby it was the joining fee, the purchasing fee for the packages, like for the what was it called?
The
There
15K
was this
valuation
package, I
model,
don't know.
$99.
Oh yeah, the valuation model, yeah. Yeah, so like for the valuation model, when you compare it for FundedNext and also these other prop firms such as 𝐓𝐇𝐄 and my forex fund,
Mhm.
it's quite favorable for somebody like me who I say I've lost a lot of money from trading, and I need at least some boost up, something to boost me up. And so on seeing the cost of it, of purchasing the package, it was more enticing to me. And also giving out $15,000 for trading, it was also quite good. Yeah, and also saw that in the biweekly payments, that caught my attention so much.
Bi-weekly payments.
Yeah, biweekly payments, because I could see that, yeah, in 2 weeks' time I get paid, and yeah, this thing is worth working for. You get me? Yeah, and also being an intraday trader, weekend holding for the trades, it was quite favorable for me, because some trades need of you being, you catch them from the start and then you wait and be patient until the end of it, you see. So like the weekend holding was also favorable for me. Yeah, and also being able to, I also realized that as I was going through the rules, I saw that also you are able to also include any type of strategies, and
Exactly.
yeah, by including any type of strategy, that means that it's an advantage to you. Yeah, because you have to make it work for you in any way. And also from the demo account, from the demo, the 15% sharing, it was also quite fair, and I thought it was good for me to join it. Yeah.
So then finally you joined our evaluation model. Did you find it difficult to pass phase one and phase two of the evaluation model, or it was easy for you?
Well, in the beginning, I saw it was so easy, because okay, having $1,500 with a huge account, it was I saw it was quite fun for me, and but when we got into the place and we got to the marketplace, things quite changed, because I think for the first trade, I went a huge significant loss that I almost gave up, because I could not believe myself. But anyway, it was challenging at the beginning, but with time I got to understand that I've got to calm my nerves, and I've got to pass these things. Yeah, so after the loss, I just recuperated from it, and jogged up my mind a little bit to now focus on it again once more. Yeah.
So basically, the rules and regulations, everything were simple, but at the beginning, it was hard for you to calm your nerves, right?
Yeah, it was really difficult for me.
So one quick tip for you, just don't worry about funding or anything like that, and you never have to worry about uh, just losing or anything like that, because we take all the responsibility for all the losses that you make, so you don't have to worry about anything. And now moving on, you have said a lot of things that you liked about FundedNext, but what's the thing you liked most about FundedNext?
Okay. Okay, for any starter, any trader, what caught my attention so much was the up to 90% sharing of profit, and it was quite exciting for me because being a young guy and doing my calculations, I saw that it is possible for me to change my life out of FundedNext. Yeah.
It's surely possible, man. It's surely possible.
uh,
So, as you said before that you are an intraday trader, right?
yeah.
So, do you stick to intraday trading always, or do you change your strategy based on the market condition?
Yeah. Okay. Based on the market conditions, in intraday trading, you have to be patient and watch out for the best move possible. So I don't have to stick only to intraday trading, but also I change also my strategies whereby I may also scalp highly including the New York session opens, and which is quite favorable for me. And once I find a long-term trade in the intraday trading, I also chip in into it and roll with it till to the end. Yeah.
Yeah, the way I see it, you should always modify your strategy based on the market, because there will be times in which you will not get more than 10 pips from the market, and there will be times in which you're gonna get 150 plus pips from a single trade, right? So
Absolutely.
you should always mix and match your strategy based on the market, and mix and match your pairs as well. So as we just talked about pair, what's the most traded pair in your MT4 right now?
Okay, right now,
Yeah.
I may talk of right now. I may say it's gold.
Gold.
Yeah, whereby it's gold.
All right. Very nice. So, when did you start to realize that you can trade gold? Because it's a very tough asset to trade. When did you started? When did you start to realize that?
Okay, when I started realizing it, when there's this guy known as the inner circle trader, and he was explaining about the market and how it moves, and based on what he was explaining and what and how gold moves, it was like he's giving me a hint of what I should be doing in the marketplace. And so what I go to look for at the specific times of the sessions, it was more of this guy is giving me all what I need. So I saw gold was it was working out for me correctly because what I'm looking for is present, and so I just have to execute it. Yeah.
All right. Very nice. So, what do you do when you win in a trade? Win in a trade. Do you reward yourself with something?
Well, after winning a trade, okay, the first thing is I just walk out and go and have some fresh air. Yeah, and then probably go and reward myself, and also maybe take myself for a lunch as an appreciation. And that's for me.
You were quite a good trader. So, is there any tips or tricks you wanted to share with our fellow traders?
Okay, in forex and in general, there's no more of a certain holy grail about it. It's just about finding the proper the correct time where you may identify some things in the market, because some people trade using patterns. Yeah, but some of us like me, we are mostly in the order block theory and also in the fair value gap theory, whereby you just wait for a short-term low to be taken out. A fair value gap is left out, and when price is coming to refill it, So you can chip into the trade, maybe to go lower, to go short, or maybe you are going long, then that's it. You can chip into the trade and go long with it, with also a specific amount of risk that you have in place in your mind. Yeah.
All right. So before we end this video, before we end this interview, you would like to say to our fellow traders or any trader around the world about why they should join FundedNext?
Okay. Okay. To any trader or any person who would like to join FundedNext, first of all, it's quite encouraging when you ask a question from the support center and you get instant or quick response. It's quite encouraging, and also it also reduces boredom of the farm. And also when you check about when what else? Okay, the rules are not very much strict about in FundedNext. Yeah, unlike these other farms. So if there is anyone or any trader who is starting up, I will highly recommend him to go to FundedNext, because at least the rules are quite favorable, and it's easy to comply with them so easily, unlike these other farms. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Wycliff, for your time, and it was a really pleasure talking to you. I hope that you'll have an amazing day, an amazing week, and an amazing month from now on. And we wish to talk to you once again. So until next time, I wish you best of the luck. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for your time, and I also appreciate for the privilege, Mr. Rafat.
It was such a privilege to talk to you. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Thank you everyone for being with us. See you guys in the next episode. Till then, take care of yourself.